Monday. Had a good day yesterday. Wow, Neo's just ripping.
Right, yeah, Neo just messed up. AMD
Okay,
is
here we go.
strong. KNG kind of weak.
Apple
See
pulling
what's
back.
cooking. Apple selling off, takes the whole market down. Our Rocket strong. It's just a way to extend it from the WeBAP. That's the problem. I mean,
Yeah,
that
long
is
rocket.
the biggest problem.
Long rocket right now.
Brian's long rocket.
Just a small. I'm not really. I'm thinking I shouldn't have
DKNG is
jumped in on
really
that.
setting up. Yeah, DKNG is really setting up. This is really
I
weak.
kind of thought it would. I'm out of rocket. I just decided I'm not gonna play that. Neo's pulling back. Piton pulling back. Just shorted some more home sell.
I'm taking some short on DKNG. I'm taking short on DKNG. Short on DKNG at 1 minute mid-range breakdown. Average is at 39.80. Let's get another big drop on it. Yeah, so I'm short DKNG.
Really getting nailed.
Gets there. Of course, Apple should go down. Idiot. Oh, come on, DKNG. Don't do this. Yeah, IWM is also really going.
Home's not moving much. It was not as much as I was hoping it would.
So I'm getting a stop down on DKNG. I stopped down on DKNG. This one might get back in there, but I just this is the strongest stock. Apple is going to go red. Apple is weak. Yeah.
There we go. Here goes home. Finally giving it up.
I'm getting back on DKNG.
Here we go.
I'm getting back on DKNG. Let's see if this time wants to go red.
covering some home. 1777.
Back short on DKNG, guys. Back short on DKNG. Let's see if one more. Let's see. It looks really weak, but again, it's the strongest thing.
Here we go. Covering some more home. 1762.
39.58. Let's see if we can get one more pull leg down on it. Still, no, it's not gonna. Come on, one more leg down on it, please. I don't think it's gonna do it. I do not think it's gonna do it. So, all right, so I'm just covering more. I'm getting out completely on DKNG.
Covering some more home. 1757. Along the little apple here. 134.90.
Home is really dropping. DKNG, come on. Apple bounced back from previous day close. Piton is still going down, huh? DraftKings. Yeah, so I'm out of DKNG. Neo might pop back up. Let's see what Neo is doing.
Yeah.
Neo is just bounced back, test the WeBAP. Let's see if Neo. AMD is still weak. Piton, really big drop. I'm looking at Neo for a long.
Yeah, Neo could be a good long.
Taking a long on Neo at 2080. Taking a long at
I'm all out of home. Home might actually sell off again here. It's right back at the view app. I should have added my position, not sold it. See what it does here.
Long NEO.
Yeah,
I'm adding a little bit more on that. Actually, it's bad. I don't like NEO. I don't like the 5-minute chart.
Coming back. Yeah, I'm
like,
out of Apple. Flat.
I don't like the 5-minute chart on it. Shit, too many times. Yeah, I'm getting out of NEO. I stopped out at NEO because I don't like the 5-minute chart really. DKNG bounce back. I might get back in there, but the 5-minute chart is just red. Yes, it's above the VWAP, but I don't like the 5-minute chart. Let's see what IWM is doing. Just maybe adding a little bit IWM to my position. Ah, shit. Still waiting. Everything else sold off except that Rocket is coming back up. So Rocket is interesting.
Yeah. Apple might hold here, you know. Just looking at it, it's sitting at previous day high right now. Yeah, look at Rocket's going to take off maybe.
I'm watching NEO and see if it's holding the VWAP. I'm waiting for another 5 minutes on it. Apple actually looks weak to me. Rocket is going to pop higher.
Yeah, I've just taken a long on Rocket, just a little bit.
I'm waiting for a pullback on Rocket. I'm actually taking a short on NEO. I'm taking a short on NEO at 2070.
I'm just selling some Rocket here. 34.24.
NEO.
Ooh,
Let's see if we can test out the moving average down there. 5-minute chart is weird.
Wow, Tesla's really selling off. Donkey Kong still looks weak.
I'm short NEO at 2070. Oh yeah, look at that. Covering now 2052. This is what I want. That's the good trade.
Nice. Previous day high is right here.
I didn't like the long on it, so I'm covering more on it. Let's see if we can actually hold that. Apple's weak.
Yeah.
See if you can actually hold it even more. Let's see if it's tested. Let's see if it goes even further down. So I have a good entry. Let's see if you can do that. DKNG in a 5-minute chart. What's your plan? Already lost on you once. Let's see if NEO wants to go down. Oh yeah, look at that. I think it's gonna go even more. I'm short DKNG too at 40.20. I'm shorting DKNG as well for 5-minute open range breakdown. Just getting back at break DKNG. Get one on it. NEO, I want to get this to 2040. Short DKNG. Oh yeah, look at that. DKNG. Come on, break that low of the day on DKNG. Covering some DKNG. DKNG covering.
Nice. I got that one too.
Come on, Brian. Come on. Take your own trade. Okay, so a NEO is just covering more. DKNG, now it's the 5-minute range breakdown.
There we go.
Yeah.
Home still looks weak.
Covering more. Wow, look at that. NEO is going to go red. I swear to God, NEO is going to go to red. I'm not going to cover anymore. Okay, so I'm covering more on DKNG. God damn it. Sorry, it's having some trouble with gas here. Okay, covering more on it.
Here we go.
There's Neo. Neo is gonna go red. To be honest with you, the way that it's selling off, I wouldn't be surprised if it goes red. I'm holding a bunch of shares left on it. So here's the situation for me. I have 2,000 shares of DKNG, 5,000 shares of Neo, and I have 7,000 shares of IWM. So I'm gonna hold on that, and I'm up right now 3,300. Let's see how this one goes in for now. IWM is a little bit worrisome. Maybe I should get out of IWM. Apple's short.
Wow. Apple's really no bottom yet.
Of course,
on it.
it's selling off. Whoever idiot is buying Apple at 138 pre-market, they gotta get squeezed the way that they are. Of course, the Apple has to pull back like this. Neo is gonna go red. I'm not covering anything else. Neo, I want previous take close on it. Actually, I lied. I'm covering a little bit here. Come on, IWM, don't do this. It's just.
Anybody still short home? That was a nice rising devil trade.
Long Apple and out. DKNG. All right, so DKNG is doing some stuff. I did struggle on it a little bit at the open. Neo is just that. It was a huge break. AMD might bounce back from here. AMD might bounce. Looks like it has found the support. And again, the problem with these shorts that I have, guys, in Neo is that I'm short the strongest stock. Market is extremely weak today, and that makes it a little bit challenging. But
at this point, anyway, it's weak.
Yeah, it might bounce back. I mean, it depends on the printers at the Federal Reserve.
Oh, I think Mnuchin's calling in the buying brigade now.
Yeah, so DKNG is bouncing back, so I might actually cover this DKNG. Yeah, it's coming to my break even. I'm out to break even on DKNG. That was a decent profit on it. Neo is still climbing up. I have a better entry in Neo, so I have more room to be patient in Neo. Yeah, IWM just weak. Yeah, no love on IWM, that's for sure. AMD is doing some stuff.
Wow, Workhorse just got lambasted.
Yeah, so here's my position, guys. Just hold on to that and see.
All right. SPY's coming back up. I think some of these are going to find some footing now, maybe. Let's see what some of our faves are doing. Apple.
Okay, SPY is bouncing back.
Yeah, I told you. Mnuchin told in the buying brigade.
Hopefully they call the division of IWM too. So IWM is just really lacking. AMD Rocket is ugly. Oh.
Yeah, Rocket is really not great.
Apple's going to bounce back to VWAP, I think.
Yeah, I was looking at that too. It's just not enough reward in it.
Yeah. Although 5-minute looks really, really. I told you NIO is going to go red. Didn't I tell you NIO is going to go red? That's why I'm not covering anything else.
It's definitely heading there.
Heading there. It's there.
It's
2014. Now I'm covering. Now I'm covering.
Yeah, workhorse looks weak too.
Covering now. Covering more. Covering more. Covering more. I'm down to 2,000 shares on it. I'm actually very proud of myself getting out of that loss on long. I lost $600 on it. That long was $600 lost to me, but I'm so proud of myself seeing that bad 5-minute chart. So that I give a good grade for myself on that. That's for sure. Apple. Let's see what we call an Apple. Let's see. Call Apple calls. Anything for September.